Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question many of you have asked: how to appear offline on WhatsApp even when you're online. Whether you want some privacy or just need a break from messages, this trick will help you stay under the radar. Let's dive in. Here's how you can appear offline on WhatsApp while still being able to use the app. Disable last seen and online status. To hide your activity more effectively, go to Settings, Privacy in WhatsApp. Here, you can adjust who can see your last seen and online status. Set this to nobody to make it harder for others to track your activity. Keep in mind, this won't fully hide your online status in group chats. Avoid opening messages immediately. When you open a message, the sender may see the blue ticks or notice you're online. To avoid this, read messages from the notification bar without opening WhatsApp directly. This way, you can stay incognito while staying updated. And that's it. While WhatsApp doesn't have a built-in invisible mode, these tips will help you maintain your privacy and appear offline when you need to. Just remember, some methods limit your ability to use the app fully, so choose what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Got any other WhatsApp hacks you'd like to learn? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.